Zaozhuang No.1 CNC Machine Tool Company Limited produces many kinds of CNC machine for 5 years, is an industry and trade enterprise dedicated to the development, design, manufacturing, and sales of machine tools. Over the years, the company has been recognized by its partners for quality and competitive price, and has provided a variety of customized services to customers around the world. Our factories are keeping develop and produce innovative high-tech machine tools for the metalworking industries every year. We also provide excellent after-sales service for all customers in the world. Our product range is CNC machines, lathes, milling machines, drilling machines, grinding machines, saws, metal forming machines, and other machine accessories, and more than 100 varieties. The market covers more than 30 countries and regions, including the United States, Canada, Europe, India, and Eastern Asia. With the advanced production facility, strong technical ability, and professional production capability, we're sure that we can supply you the qualified products with high quality and the best design. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, you can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements. If you have any new ideas or concepts for the products, please contact us. We are glad to work together with you and finally bring you the satisfied products.